Hello everyone. How much do you love nature? Remember your first walk in the forest, your first swim in the water, and your first saw a wild animal. We love nature and we are depend on nature. About 40% of oxygen are come from rainforest. About 50% of chemical medicines are come from nature and about 100% of food that we eat are came from nature. We need nature to sustain us. In this video, I am going to tell you about IUCN. IUCN is stand for International Union for Conservation of Nature and Natural Resource. It is the world's largest environmental organization established since 1948. They work together in 160 plus countries with over 1000 plus staff worldwide. Also have 1200 plus organization including governmental organization and non-governmental organization, also have 11,000 plus scientists and experts. They work together just for mother nature. They gather the latest knowledge on biodiversity to assessing the status of species and protecting the wonders of natures. They runs hundreds of field projects such as managing water resource, restoring forest, protecting coast and oceans, and help campaign to improve their environmental performance. They are present the voice of nature on the international stage of IUCN World Conservation Congress of United Nations General Assembly. They address today's global challenges together. Red Data Book. It is the book of information on the status of endangered plant and animals. It contains many lists like pink list that contain critical endangered species. Green list. It comprises of species which are formerly endangered but have now recovered to a point where they are no longer threatened. Blue list. It comprises of organisms which are rare and are found in a limited area. Yellow list. It comprises of organisms which are rare during a particular period of a time. Red list. It comprises of threatened species of plant and animal. IUCN Red List. IUCN Red List of threatened species are also known as IUCN Red List or Red Data List. It is founded in 1964 and it is the world comprehensive inventory of the global conservation status of the biological species. IUCN Red List category. Species are classified by the IUCN Red List in 9 groups set through criteria such as rate of decline, population size, area of geography distribution. That is, first, extinction. No knows individual remain. Second, extinction in the wild. Knows only to survive in captivity. Third, critical endangered. Extreme high risk of extinction in the world. Fourth, endangered. High risk of extinction in the world. Fifth, vulnerable. High risk of endangerment in the world. Sixth, near threatened. Likely to become endangered in near future. Seventh, least concern. Low risk does not qualify for a more at risk category. 8. Data deficient. Not enough data to make an assignment of its risk of extinction. 9th, not evaluated. Has not yet been evaluated against the criteria. When we discuss about IUCN Red List, we use a word threatened. It is a group of three categories: critical endangered, endangered and vulnerable. Let's talk about Red List of India, starting from critical endangered mammals, that is Himalayas brown bear or red bear, Andaman white tooth shrew, Kondana rat, large rock rat, flying squirrel, Malabar kiwit, Sumatran rhinos, Kashmir stag. After critical endangered mammals of India, let's talk about endangered mammals of India, that is red panda, Indian wild dog, brown antlered deer, golden langur, white-billed musk deer, Assam rabbit, hawk deer, lion-tailed macaque, Nilgiri leaf monkey, and Nilgiri tahar. Freshwater dolphin or river dolphin are endangered marine mammals of India. Let's talk about vulnerable mammals of India, that is Great Indian one-horned rhinos, Indian bison, Chausingha, takin, Nilgiri marten, swamp deer, Asian small clawed otter, clouded leopard, Asian black deer. Sea cow is the vulnerable marine mammals of the India. Let's talk about near threatened mammals of India, that is marbled cat, wild ass, black buck, Himalayas tahar, markhor. Himalayas wolf are not evaluated mammals of the India. Let's talk about critical endangered bird of the India, that is the Jordan's cursor, forest owlet, white-bellied heron, Bengal florican, Himalayas quail, pink-headed duck, Siberian crane. Let's talk about critical endangered reptiles of India, that is gharial, hawksbill sea turtle, four-toed river terrapin, Bengal roofed turtle. Near threatened reptiles of India is Cispara de gecko. Vulnerable reptiles of India is olive redly sea turtle. So, with the help of International Union for Conservation of Nature and Natural Resources, we can stop the extinction of plant and animals. Also, we can fight against climate change. We can restore natural resources and increasing food security and decreasing poverty. When nature is healthy, our community and economics healthy. So let's stand up for nature to create a better future for all of us. Thank you so much.